Hello, fellow traders. We had a few discussions on our group, and somebody pointed out this is just a pile of rubbish. Well, what do you think? I did my own analysis and I studied this almost daily. And what this is one of my best example I can offer on VIX 18 January. 18 January. I see direction change. Obviously, the market is turning down. On the 17th, we actually touched the reversal and moved down. On the 18th, we took out another reversal. So, as you see, next array, 22nd. If we took out the array for this one, right? That means we took out the reversal. That means the next one is probably gonna be a low. Because that's how this works. This should be a lower low, and we'll see that's exactly what happened. The next array is a low. It's not only the low, it's lower than this low. That means on the 22nd, which is a panic cycle, is going to be even lower. As you see, it's a lower, and it's a panic cycle because it took out the low of the lowest. So see how it goes. And then on the 24th of January, what happened? We see a bounce. Touch the reversal, bounced off because it's a direction change. And you also see the indicators turning up. Well, in this case was here. What do you think? Type in comments.